Hi, Bruce. This is a knife just like the one that I sent you that is supposed to have arrived today. It's a SRM. Um, Very versatile knife. They've come a long way as far as safety goes and meteorology and such, but this is what's called an axis lock. If you pinch it on each side and you push up and down, you can feel a spring in there, but that's a thumb hole there, which can be used with your finger or your thumb to open it, and it takes a little bit of practice, but you can open it with one hand easily and then pinch and release. Just make sure you got the ball of your thumb and all your fingertips out of the way when you're closing it, but it's very handy because you can safely open and close it with one hand, and some people just like to fidget with them too. Um, you can also pull down on that axis lock and give it a little flick with your wrist, but once again, make sure that pinky and thumb are out of the way. I don't know how people don't carry a knife. I carry one every day, and I use it every day. And it's not just as a potential self-defense tool, but for every little job that comes along. And these are D2 steel. If you clean them up when you put them away, they'll be fine. You don't need to oil them, but they're not as corrosion resistant as stainless steel. So don't go swimming with the ocean in the ocean with it and leave it in your wet trunks for a day. Bye. Love you.